So to run your hand wand feature, we would select load, offload hose D. It has in parentheses hand wand. That's telling us that we can also operate the hand wand with this function. So I would select that, make sure these are off, pull the red knob, I'd go to the back and see that the C valve's open and the D valve's closed. Okay, this cylinder is extended in. That means that this tank valve is open. We do this cylinder this way so that anytime that we're spraying oil, we're not coating this shaft of the cylinder with oil. So it activates a little differently than what you would think a cylinder would. Collapsed means open on this valve. This valve's open. The D valve's closed. Now I can stretch out my hand wand, get it ready to spray hand wand at radius or whatever I need to do by hand. And I can open this valve. So open that valve. I make sure this valve is closed. Then I turn the pump on. Go back to the control box here on the side of the truck. We've already pulled the red knob. We've got the pump stroke to 0. I'm going to put the pump in forward. I'll roll that up to about 50 gallons per minute for the hand wand. I can check the gallons per minute by looking at the main cab console and see what the computer is telling us the pump's turning, gallons wise. Then I'm ready to come out here and start hand wanding an area. One question I get is what happens if I overbuild pressure in the system because I've got all the valves closed, I'm not applying any material, but I still have the pump turning. We do have a couple of built-in safety features. One of them is we talked about the relief valves. There's one here and one on the front here. The one on the front of this pump relieves pressure on this line here in the forward position at about 60 psi. You'll start hearing this pump going pop. That's relieving pressure.